Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, and good afternoon, according to Pakistan's times. Respected scholars and participants, it is an honor for me to share my views on role of faith in social support and combating crimes in the online webinar. I want to begin by first congratulating the organizers, especially to the Honorable Dr. Afsar Rathur for organizing this timely webinar on interfaith cooperation for securing peace in the 21st century. Defining the role of faith in social support and combating crimes is crucial to understand the multiple levels of human capacity and interaction from individual to societal level. There are many scholars who argue that faith is a deeper conviction and reason gives us light. Faith has been explained as divinely inspired social force guiding the individual in physical, metaphysical, and psychological matters. Faith is related to human inner self and addresses the relation to absolute reality, human beings, and society. Therefore, it has not only its deep impact at individual level, but also plays an undeniably significant role on societal level at large. The World Economic Forum's Global Agenda Council's report titled Does Faith Matter? Concluded that faith plays crucial role in issues related to human rights, values, and peacekeeping. Likewise, faith plays a major role in anti corruption, establishing business ethics, and upholding civil society at large. A golden rule common in major faith systems is, and I quote, treat others as you would expect to be treated, unquote. Faith thus provides the most essential base to modern concept of human rights. The concept of faith underpins building healthy and constructive relationships in a society based on socio-economic justice. World organizations like the United Nations are also convinced that incorporation of faith-based policies can help prevent crimes and encourage peace in society at large. In this context, it is referred that based on the Nelson Mandela rules adopted in 2015, the standard minimum rules for the treatment for prisoners, prison pastorals enable incarcerated persons to practice their right of freedom of thought and religion and make them feel heard. It is the need of the hour to build the capacity of governments and faith based communities to work together for peace and harmony. Ladies and gentlemen, the normative approach implies positively multiculturalism and communal diversity coupled with respect and rights of different cultural groups. But most of the cultures' moral values are being defined by faith, and individuals' own ethical and moral standards are shaped by her or his own religiosity and affiliation to his or her faith. The emergence of absolute faiths in the public realm has great potential to contribute in the welfare and social services. It also helps to eradicate violence and extremism in a society by adopting interfaith harmony. Within the Muslim world, hundreds of billions of dollars are collected and spent in terms of zakat each other. There are other similar strong social norms that are building blocks of the Muslim societies that keep them intact in most difficult times. The basic tenets of faith entail truth, justice, benevolence, compassion, and wisdom. It is historically evident that faith played a leading role in promoting tolerance, respect, understanding, and reconciliation among multicultural societies. It is thus considered a very powerful positive force in the transformation and management of the social conflicts. When the Prophet of Islam, Sayyidi Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was asked about faith, قلت ما الإيمان؟ قال الصبر والسماحة. He was asked that what is meant by faith. He replied, self restraint and gentleness. In conclusion, I would like to say that all of these characteristics add impetus to a great level of commitment in an individual's life. It thus helps one to avoid any action which can be harmful for a society. With these words, I thanks the organizers once again and congratulate them for this very successful webinar on very essential topic. And this is my humble thoughts. Thank you all.